Hello everyone, this is Wes Sego, and this is my MIU Term 1210 Project 1 review. In this video I'm going to cover what went well this week, what went not so well this week, and how this relates to previous work and also to the future. And I'm also going to talk a little bit about the way I implemented the feature search browse design. As far as what went well this week, I mean, it really wasn't very difficult to add the things that were there. I mean, we had to create that call to action and the search bar. That stuff was pretty quick. And then the browse, I just kept it really simple. Just made some divs and put it in there because everyone's pretty much warned me on several occasions that no matter what you do with the CSS, it's going to break next week when we add the jQuery. So didn't want to really get overstressed about it. I just put it in there, and we'll see how it goes. As far as what went not so well, I have in my browse section, I did use anchor tags, and I really stressed out about I wasn't able to remove the underline under my links, and it really irritated me after working with it for a while because something in the CSS was breaking it. I mean, I think there was a parent-child relationship. Obviously I put in text no decoration, and that did not, or text decoration none, and that didn't work. So I kind of got sidetracked on that for quite a while until it actually really frustrated me. And then of course I went back to the same thing I just said. I mean, I'm not going to get overly stressed out about the CSS right now because mine's a real mess as far as the CSS, and it's going to have to be redone next week anyway. So again, I didn't stress that very much. As far as how this relates to previous work, this is really the first application I've ever made, so I don't really have a big basis to go on. As far as future work, I really found it interesting reading the different patterns, and I liked learning that. It was kind of a wake-up call for me. It's like, I mean, most of the applications or things that you ever build are going to follow one of those patterns. That stuff's already been done and developed for us. So, as long as you really get a good understanding of that and get your idea for how you want your app to work in advance, that's going to work. But quickly I'll go through it. This is my application. It was a medication tracker, and I put my search button down below it. I really kind of segregated it in half. I felt like when a person's using this, they're either going to be adding a medication or they're going to be looking through the last time that someone was given medication. So I kind of kept the search with the browse. My call to action is up here. I just made a little button in the back and put it behind what I already had, left my button in there. Probably next week I'll make this whole area clickable instead of just the button. But I put my search box down here because that's really where it's the dividing point where a person's either going to do one thing with this or another. And of course, in my browse section, I just put some links. The name of the person that's taking the medication, what type, the name of the medication, a little research block because I only really had 4 good categories, and of course the date. So, that's it. I did go in and I added my 20 JSON data files here so that I'll show you that real quick. The data in, go in and display the data. Got quite a bit. So, but that's it. I hope everyone had a great week, and thanks for watching.